Hi guys, Rod from VMN here with another plasma installment. What we've done here is install some high quality Lam Technologies stepper drivers on our machine, and they have a couple of nice features that few stepper drivers have. One is a fault output, so we've been able to put a fault signal back to LinuxCNC to tell it if something goes wrong. And the other one is a boost function. Now, while these lights are yellow for each stepper, this is a component that I've written, while these signals are yellow, then the motors are running at 50% of their capacity, and they'll only go to 50% of the amps, and they will only go to zero if there is no acceleration happening. So in other words, they're idling at the cut speed. So this should make a huge difference. So at the moment, say the y-axis motors are going to be running they'll be going to be running at 6 amps while they're accelerating, and they'll drop back to 3 amps. So what we have here now is trusty chips, one of the LinuxCNC test files, and we're going to now run this file. This is pretty wild, I'll tell you. So you can see here, while they're yellow, those motors are idle, and they're using 50% of the current to keep the motors cool. And this is a pretty violent file. You can see by the acceleration shaking on the table. We'll just come back over here and we'll just have a look at these Lam drivers. So here's a Windows program which is provided with Lam that actually allows you to specify this, and the drivers are down here in the cabinet, and this one's connected, so I don't need that anymore. And here are the 4 drivers. These are running at 90 volts and have a capacity of 6.5 amps, and they're connected to AC, so the actual stepper motors are connected to a 64 volt AC supply straight from a stepper motor, straight from a toroid, and the little motor, the little drive down the bottom is one of the Lam's LS1073s, which is a 3 amp one, which is running one of the smaller motors on the machine. So there you go. That's Boost in action.